Well, we're back to do another liquid facelift. This is Kelly, and she's 54 years old, and she has never had any treatments done before, so it's really always kind of fun and exciting for both of us to do this. Today we're going to be restoring the volume loss under her eyes. We're going to be restoring the cheeks, and also really working around her mouth, using some Restylane and Refyne for the vertical lip lines, and some Lyft for the gels. Today we are using all Restylane products, and then I'll also be doing a little Dysport in between her eyebrows and around her eyes. So, we're ready to go. You excited?
Yes.
Okay. Head back. And then we'll have you close your eyes. So she is topically numbed. The face has been prepped, so she's ready to go. I'm going to be starting with under the eyes first. Okay, here is a little poke. And putting some Restylane underneath that orbital ridge to give her some support. Good. I really like the Restylane product because it's not too hydrophilic, so the final results are real subtle. The body will draw in a little bit of water to it, but not too much. It's also very malleable, so it really softens things up. Not a lot is needed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Refyne and Lyft, and I'm going to come below where I just put that Restylane and give her some support in the cheek area. Oftentimes we lose that malar fat pad, and it really can make the face look real face forward. When you don't have the malar, the nasolabial fold looks real heavy, and the face looks real sunken and hollow. So it's a great area to support. Okay, here we go. And being that this is Kelly's first time, she's doing great. It's with the numbing, and there's lidocaine in the syringes. It's really a overall pretty comfortable procedure. And I know you're hearing that gurgling sound in there. I can hear kind of the crackling, gurgling as I'm injecting, and that's just the product rumbling through the needle. That's all it is. I like to do most of the work underneath the skin without doing multiple pokes. And just kind of going in there and doing some little micro threads. And taking our time. This isn't a big bloody event. Most of Kelly's restoration is around her mouth, and that's one of her biggest concerns that brought her to me. And it's a very common complaint from women, is that the skin around the mouth really starts to break down, the lips start to shrink in, and we start to lose a lot of volume here, which creates this jowl. So we are going to be addressing that today, but if I go and I address the mouth first without doing the restoration of the cheeks and under the eyes, it's going to make her feel more weighted and look more bottomed out. So it's really important that whenever you're getting volume restoration, that the person who's injecting has a artistic eye, and making sure that we're balancing the right side to the left, from the top to the bottom, and also the front of the face to the back of the face. These next two pokes for the vermilion border and the lip lines do get, they're a little bit more sensitive, so she has been forewarned. Here we go. Oh. You're doing great, Kelly. Just breathe through that. And a little bit of lidocaine is going to help that. What I like to do, go ahead and open up your mouth just a little bit. We're going to first go along the vermilion border. Here's a poke. And then I'm going to come back over and do right above that vermilion border, about 1 millimeter. Here we go. And this will soften things up without creating that kind of duck look that nobody wants. I don't want it. Kelly doesn't want it. You're doing great. This is a tough area. Here we go. Restylane and Refyne has really become my top choice for around the mouth. That is, one syringe will go a long ways. Go ahead and open your mouth a little bit. Good. And it really softens the mouth without bulking you up in an unnatural way. Now I wouldn't use Restylane and Refyne in an area where there's a kind of a deeper hole. That I'm going to come back with the Lyft and fill that in. So here's Restylane and Lyft. This is going to give me more structural support. Also going to give this a chance just to relax a little bit, and then I'll see if I need to go back in and do a little bit more. So here we have a hole here. And I'm going to go in. Here's oh. Basically supporting the skin. Little foundation. Oh my gosh, my stomach keeps growling on camera. That's really funny. I actually did eat today, so. As I'm finishing up the right side, I'll do the left side off camera and then the big reveal. That's right. Okay, so here we are. We just got done a few minutes ago and gonna let Kelly take a look. She's done the full liquid facelift today. So.
Oh, it was dynamite. I mean, really dynamite.
That looks great, huh?
Yeah.
That looks so awesome.
Oh,
Isn't
yeah.
that fun?
Yeah.
It's so fun.
It's beautiful.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.